Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see 4 ways to circular your image in Flutter. So let's start with our demo video. So we have our column inside our body. Let's have a text. Let's say our method 1 will remove the const. So let's give it a style, font size of let's say 30, and we'll have our text in the center. Okay, so let's start. The first method is using clip oval widget. So this is the widget which can give you to use custom clippers using this clipper, or you can simply provide the child image.asset, and we have our image in our assets slash seed.png. Remove const. Let's save our application. Now you can see we have our image which is having circular borders. So this is method 1. You can give even different type of shapes by providing the custom clippers that you want, as you can see here. But we will see another method which is method number 2. So the second method will be our container. You can have your container. Inside container you can have decoration, box decoration. You can give the specific height, let's say 100, and width 100. You need to provide height and width of equal so that you can provide the box shape property, that is box shape.circle, and you have an property called image where you have to give decoration image, that is your asset image, which is your decoration image. And for the image you can give your asset image, provide the asset, save the app, and now you can see we have circular radius, but you can see this is not completely a circular. So you can fix this using the fit property using box fit.cover. Then you will have this perfect circular image. Another method, which is our method number 3, is using circular avatar, a widget called circular avatar. Inside this widget you can provide the foreground image as an image.asset widget. Simply give the asset, but as you can see it's showing you the error. Why? Because you need to provide an image provider, that is your asset image. Again give the asset, save the app, and now you have this circular image. You can increase the size by giving the radius property of let's say 100, and now you can see the bigger circular image. So this is method number 3. And the method number 4, guess what, it's the last widget that we are going to see, which is clip our react. using this we can simply give the child as image dot asset, our assets slash our image. Once you are saving, now you can see we have this circular border, but it's not completely circle. You can control this with the help of border radius, and you can give the property of border radius dot circular, and you can provide the circular property like say example 400, and then you will have a more circular rounded image in your app. So these are the 4 methods that you can use in your Flutter application, which is clip R React, container, circular avatar, and clip oval widgets. So hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and see you in the next video.